Previously on Sailing Aquarius, we tour Huahine, we meet our neighbors on Cool Change and do their boat tour, and have a lot of fun. It's about 25 nautical miles from Huahine to Raiatea, and most of the time we had to motor, as this time wind wasn't cooperative with us.
Having fun yet? I know, it's a beautiful place. We're here at, uh-oh. What's the name of this place?
Yes,
Tahaa?
Tahaa is very close. Raiatea.
Raiatea, that's where we are. Jeez, how quickly I forget. So we just got here. Bella Marina's right behind us. We're going to be having a little party tonight, raft up. I don't know where yet, but we'll find a place to drop the anchor and hopefully we'll drop it very close to each other so we can have a party.
It is so nice behind you. So no sailing, huh?
No, we were motoring the whole way. We thought that there was going to be too much wind, but ended up there was too little wind. And that's Javilla's fault.
But at least we made water.
Yeah. That was my fault. Yes. Go that.
After admiring cute beach and had fun with the dog, we took off to one of the biggest ritual places, Tapu Tapuatea. It is one of the largest complex of Marae in the southeastern cones of Raiatea. The site features a number of Marae and other stone structures and was once considered the central temple and religious center of eastern Polynesia. The name Tapu Tapuatea means sacrifices from afar. The Marae was already established by 1000 AD, and it was a place of learning where priests and navigators from all over the Pacific would gather together to offer sacrifices to the gods and share their knowledge of the origins of the universe as well as of deep ocean navigation.
After, but you go, you're walking is after, so you go up for the friends is there, but we use and your fruit for the bananas and everything, everything some fruit that we have them here for the market.
Oh, okay.
Limbo part.
Some exercise, huh? No more visibility again.
Oh, this your brothers here? I like it a lot.
I saw it somewhere.
Yes. Where was it?
Like it a lot. Right.
Where was?
Of course I know where it came from.
We will be in November.
Hey, camera wars. Very nice.
Ça, bonbon.
Like sweets, huh? Oh, what is that?
Come toi.
toi. Là. Tu vois?
Nude. I'm just waiting for it to face plant because I wore a white shirt.
And what is that you got there?
This is a pomme étoile.
You should have 2 of them.
Roughly translates to
You are being.
apple.
I'm being naughty and she doesn't even know it.
Those are like lychees.
We'll call him Margarine.
How about butters?
No, we're gonna call him Margarine
Why margarine?
because he's fake.
No, that's not.
It does not look like.
We have another video
Yeah,
with a
Colombia.
big butterfly on you.
Colombia.
Come here. Come here, little guy. Come here. Come here.
Ça, c'est pour le faire le Pinocchio comme ça. Voilà. Yes. Ça, c'est le Pinocchio. Pinocchio.
It's like if you
Yeah, photo Pinocchio. Yes. Voilà. Voilà.
Really? Is that turning on?
little birdie.
They make it look so easy. Who's first? Oh, because Maruru.
That's a little bit more stable, but then
Okay.
this is not. So
We just went shopping.
we just went shopping.
Maruru.
Pretty much.
I
just
thought
like
I was in the middle of the jungle. So put one of those things on your arm. Let's get on a video.
Can we do it in the back?
All right. Watch out.
Alright.
Not
I
so
have a
good.
tattoo now.
That's
I think you should do one on her
I
ass.
slap her. On my ass?
Yeah, on your ass. It's
Too
all
white.
white.
My ass is the
Too
same color. If only left green mark.
Oh,
Ooh.
that's nice.
Yeah.
Somebody knows how to slap herself. Put your lime in the coconut and shake it all up. Put the lime in the coconut. Oh, you know what? I lost my nose. Where'd I put
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You found it.
Oh, weirdo.
I don't want to get suntan.
You call me Pinocchio.
It wouldn't have been the same without him.
Not at all. This is awesome. This is the coolest jungle food ever.
Thanks, James. It was awesome. lining up. They're gonna take us on. We got 2 more boats coming, and they'll all be behind us. Our mooring was really close to an abandoned hotel. Perfect. What service I get?
Jump on in.
Cutting the cord.
Here we go. Let's go try some diving with a compressor. Lifeline hookup. Here we go. It's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna leave it in the dinghy so it doesn't get soaking wet. This is a little choppy. And we're gonna go try to dive the pass. It's supposed to be pretty deep though, so I'm not sure how much.
This should be lots of fun.
Should be.
And there goes Aquarius. And there's Bella Marina. How'd you pick Bella Marina?
It's after my wife's mother, Marina. So we'll pull air from the top so we can get carbon poisoning. And it has a little added benefit of having 2 of these. There between 2 of us. So when you breathe in, I breathe out, and vice versa. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Damn it.
Did you red switch off? So this is Tahaa, and we're heading over to the east side of Tahaa with our Captain Powers at the helm. And what do you got to say for yourself?
It's a
You
beautiful
are.
place. We are going behind our friends, Bella Marina.
Bella Marina up there. So how's Aquarius treating you?
Very well.
With the board and
Where's the next?
Oh, I got it the wrong way. How about that? Film yourself as that.
To the left.
Another Jungle Book out here.
Fantastic. It's dinghy party time! Yay.
getting ready to leave, as in Bella Marina. And this beauty is coming in. And Bora Mountain right behind.
What do you got to say for yourself, Captain?
We are going to Bora.
Again?
Again.
Oh no.
Right there.
The visibility is just great today. Unbelievable. And we are paired up with Bella Marina. There's Bella Marina. One last look at Tahaa. And over there is Raiatea. So we're up here in 20 knots of wind, and it looks like my camera's a little dirty. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, that looks a little better. Can you see me? Hello? So we're up here in 20 knots of wind. Oh, I got the lens dirty again. Hello? Or maybe I should bang on this. Can you hear me? So we got Bella Marina in front of us. I think you can see Bella Marina. And you got me. There's Bora again. Visibility is amazing today, and it looks like the wind is up. We were afraid that the wind wasn't going to be up yesterday. That's why we stayed one extra day in Tahaa, and we're still way behind schedule because Javila got sick. So we're moving on to Bora to check out, and then the cooks and all that other stuff before New Zealand. Should be great. We're going to try to get down to Tonga as fast as possible, meet up with our friends, because we can see all the islands on the way back next season. So now, I don't know if Aquarius is a he or a she. She's got balls. Look at those balls.
Next on Sailing Aquarius, we arrive to beautiful Bora. Join us. If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.